Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host Alex, and today we are diving into a new word. Our word of the day is bored, an A1 level adjective meaning feeling uninterested. So, what does it mean to be bored? Well, it's that feeling when you have nothing you want to do, or when you're not interested in what's going on around you. You might feel restless or a little bit down. It's a common feeling, and we all experience it from time to time. Let's look at some synonyms for bored. We have uninterested, apathetic, and weary. For example, you could say, she seemed uninterested in the lecture, or he gave an apathetic response to the question, or I was weary of waiting in line. Now, let's think about opposites, antonyms for bored. These could include words like excited, enthusiastic, and engaged. For example, the children were excited about the trip, or she was enthusiastic about learning a new skill, or he felt engaged in the project he was working on. Now, let's talk about how bored fits into our everyday lives. You might hear someone say, I'm so bored, I don't know what to do, or this movie is so boring, or even she had a bored expression on her face. We use bored to express that feeling of a lack of interest very frequently. Some usage examples of bored would be, he was bored in class. The children were bored and wanted to play outside. I'm getting really bored just sitting here. Or, don't be bored, there's lots to do. In conclusion, bored is an adjective that describes the feeling of being uninterested and has synonyms like uninterested, apathetic, and weary with antonyms like excited, enthusiastic, and engaged. We use it a lot in everyday conversations to express that feeling. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hello Word. I really appreciate you taking the time to learn with me. If you like the podcast, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support really helps others find the show. And as always, I want to challenge you to come up with your own sentence using the word bored and share it in the comments under the video. Until next time, happy learning!